So if you're new to our channel, my name is Marissa.
My name is Myra.
And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications bell as well, so you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. So for today's recipe, we will be making white rice with vegetables.
Our ingredients are as the following. I have 1 green bell pepper. I already cut it in julienne little strips. And then I have a 1/2 cup of corn. I have also, it was a small carrot, so it's about maybe a little bit less than 1/2 cup. I have 2 garlic cloves, a piece of onion, of course, or rice. I have 1 cup, and I'll be using about 2 teaspoons of butter and a little bit of oil, like 2 teaspoons as well. So I already have my pan with the oil. It's already preheated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in our rice. And I'm gonna add the 2 garlic cloves, and we're gonna go ahead and just keep on stirring it for 3 to 5 minutes. You could say 3 to 5 minutes, but probably 5 minutes until we get a golden color. Make sure you keep on stirring it. Do not leave it unattended because you will burn your rice. So keep on mixing it until you get your golden brown color. So we do have that golden brown color. So we're gonna go ahead and add 2.5 cups of water. We're gonna go ahead and add our onion. And then we're gonna add our corn, our carrots, and we're gonna add our bell pepper. It looks like a lot, but everything goes really tiny, so you'll be good. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken flavor and powder. I forgot to mention it earlier. We're gonna go ahead and put 2 teaspoons for a good flavor, or 2.5 teaspoons. And then we're gonna go ahead and stir it. Just be very careful, just so we could get all that chicken flavor mixed in there. And we also gonna add 2 teaspoons of butter. That you could just put it wherever you want. I'm gonna put it like that. Oh, there it goes. And we're gonna leave it on medium heat. We're gonna let it come to a boil. We're gonna cover it up, let it come to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce the heat to low, and we're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes. As you can see, it did come to a boil. What I'm gonna do is gonna go ahead and just stir it a little bit so we can make sure our butter gets everywhere. And then I'm gonna reduce the heat to low, and we're gonna wait the 15 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. See, there's no more water. It looks delicious, huh? So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and remove the onion, because my kids don't like onions in their plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, turn it off, and just let it cover it up and let it sit for another 10 minutes just so we could get that beautiful color. I'm gonna remove the garlic as well. So it's all done. So that's it for today's video. We have our rice right here. It looks very good. You can see the bell pepper, the corn, the carrot. It's very delicious. Go ahead and enjoy with your favorite dish. Shrimps, chicken, steak, whatever you would like. It's very, very good.
And like always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll be back with more videos
on Let's Cook